Hi team, quick cue for you to consider applying into your training, and today we're going to just run through the Jefferson Rolldown. I've got Aaron here on a step which is going to allow us some distance to travel past our toes. Everyone's going to be at a different level when you first start doing this, so I suggest doing this without a weight initially and just see what current of flexibility and mobility you have and then work up from there. So we're going to use an 8 kilo kettlebell as an example. What I suggest is we work through say a 30 to 1 minute period of time. We might do 2 to 3 of these particular roll downs, coming down and then coming back up. In regards to the knees, I play around with this a little bit. You can go a lock knee, but you'll find it's a lot different to say a slightly softened knee. I say play around with it and see how that makes you feel. I tend to have a slightly softened knee and work from there, and I suggest most people who have mobility issues should probably start with that and just build up your confidence with the actual exercise. So what we're going to do is we're going to tuck in our chin. Aaron's going to slowly roll down. You're going to feel a funny sensation through the back initially, that's all part of it, and then you're going to come down into an extended hanging position. Then you might hang out there for say 10-15 seconds, or as you feel comfortable. Then you're going to curl back up, and we're feeling that tension through the hamstrings, and through some consistency and actual dedication to this skill, you can really promote greater length through the hamstrings. So I promote doing this often. It should be in your weekly regime. You wouldn't necessarily do it every day, but I think a couple of times a week is a great way of applying some consistency. One more time, Aaron, roll down. Hang down past, end game would be nice to have our wrists past your toes, but again, that takes a little bit of practice. Come back up. And that is the Jefferson Rolldown. Have fun with that and keep moving.